In the heart of Massachusetts, where innovation thrives, there's a company that's leading the charge in the design, implementation, and ongoing preventative maintenance services of central facility and laboratory point-of-use high-purity water systems. Welcome to Ultrafiltronics, an industry leader in cutting-edge technologies and facility support services for the life science, pharma, and biotechnology markets, with corporate headquarters strategically located just 20 miles south of Cambridge and Boston in Randolph, Massachusetts. With over 2 decades of expertise, Ultrafiltronics is committed to delivering the highest quality products and services to our valued customers. Our knowledgeable and highly qualified staff of engineers, fabricators, and factory-certified service technicians work tirelessly to provide a level of service that other firms cannot compete with. Every step of our manufactured system process takes place in our secondary state-of-the-art factory in East Bridgewater, Massachusetts. Here, our skilled team utilizes the latest technology and the highest quality materials to craft our exceptional purified water systems. From the initial design stages to the final product, precision and excellence are the hallmarks of Ultrafiltronics. This includes being the preferred regional distributor for Sartorius lab water point-of-use polishing and makeup systems with FDA-approved bank tank storage technology. Our factory-trained service team completes installations and ongoing preventative maintenance for the Sartorius line of laboratory water systems. Unique to Ultrafiltronics is our own dedicated DI ion exchange resin regeneration and reverse osmosis membrane restoration facility located just miles south of the greater Boston area. This state-of-the-art facility has over a 120 cubic foot per day of resin regeneration capacity. Corporate investment ensures our clients' water quality and uptime requirements are met consistently. Our clients rely on Ultrafiltronics' advanced Ultrapure systems and services to ensure that their experiments are conducted with water free from contaminants and impurities. Ultrafiltronics provides the precision and reliability they need to maintain the accuracy and purity required for their research and production needs, including water quality testing when needed. Join the ranks of industry leaders and experience the excellence of Ultrafiltronics. With our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation, we are your trusted partner in delivering ultra-pure water solutions and services for a brighter future.